Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to cook in these pork ribs with Angus and Orange Chinese takeaway salt and pepper. We're going to cook in these in the Ninja Woodfire grill, and we're going to make in a Chinese barbecue sauce to serve with these. First thing we need to do with these ribs is to remove this membrane. I'm just going to come in, just work a knife under. Just going to start a little bit there, like that. Take a paper towel, kitchen towel, grab that skin. Just get rid of that flap there. Now I think we're good to get some rub on these. For those of you that don't know, I am the pellet man. Supply pellets for the Ninja grills. And also we've started stocking Angus and Orange rubs. So I'll leave a link down below where you can come and buy this. So we're just going to come in and give this a good seasoning. We're not using any binders. Pat it on. Now it's time to get the Ninja Woodfire ready. We'll get some pellets in, get it up to temperature, and we'll get these ribs on. I'm using cherry pellets from the Pellet Man. Turn our Ninja onto smoker. Drop the temperature down to 120. And I'm going to put 3 hours on. But I would flavour technology already in because it's on smoker, and press ignition. So we've gone through our start up procedure, but look at this smoke. So we're going to give it 10 minutes or so to calm down, turn into a nice thin blue smoke. So that thick acrid smoke now has dissipated. I'm going to go across the corner so we can fit these in. Let's cook. Now we're going to make our Chinese barbecue sauce. So we've just got a pan on a low heat. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Shoaxing wine, 2 tablespoons of honey, let's drop out, half a teaspoon of 5 spice powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Don't worry, I'll put all the ingredients in a list below. One garlic clove also grated. Get this off the back. Let's give it a good stir in. Now this is optional. 6 to 10 drops of red food colouring. This gives it that distinctive Chinese colour. Let's give it a good stir. And this is what we want, a nice sticky barbecue sauce. So about 30 minutes in now, so we're going to come in and give these a spritz. We've just got some apple cider vinegar and apple juice, equal mixture. It's a little chef's ball there for later. So these ribs have had 1 hour now. We're going to take these off and get them wrapped. So we're going to come in, what, 2 pats of butter, lay the ribs down in that butter. Pull the sides up. And then we've got a little bit of cherry aid. It's all going to help to steam and tenderise these ribs now. We're going to put our temperature up now to 170 and let go. These ribs have had 45 minutes now wrapped. We're going to take them off. Unwrap these. So now we've got some of our homemade Chinese barbecue sauce. It's thick. It's got that red colour associated with Chinese char siu. Smells amazing. Do one base to begin with. Wrap these up. We'll get these back on, then we'll probably give them 10 minutes, and then we'll give them another brush with our Chinese barbecue sauce. I'll give another coat of this Chinese barbecue sauce. We'll go 10 minutes. Then we'll get these off. There we have it, 2 hours, 10 minutes, and our ribs are done. There we have it, folks. These are Dutchies Angus and Oin Chinese takeaway salt and pepper ribs with Dutchies Chinese barbecue sauce. Let's get a cut in and see what they look like. Look at them, still moist. In there for a bite. Hold on. One of the best Chinese ribs I've ever had. It's none of these boiled stuff. That is juicy, smoked with cherry. The flavour of that rub gives it some heat, some salt, some pepper, some chilli. But that barbecue sauce with that glaze takes these ribs to another level. That the bone just pulls out. Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Angus and Oin.